Hello everyone, thanks for being here. I'm Prashant Sharma from NIT Greater Noida. In today's seminar, I'll be discussing about an emerging technology, the robotic process automation. So let's quickly see the table of contents. Yeah. So in today's seminar, we'll be discussing what is robotic process automation, the evolution of RPA, the benefits of RPA, and we'll see the perspective of employee and the organization. Then we'll be discussing about the application of RPA in various fields, and at last I'll be highlighting the main features of RPA in uh, the conclusion section. So let's get started. What is robotic process automation? Robotic process automation is the use of software with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to handle high volume repeatable tasks that previously required human interventions, such as queries, calculations, data entries, maintenance of records, transactions, etc. The RPA is sometimes called a bot because it mimics the human worker. It can perform operations like logging into applications, entering the data, performing calculations, and completing the task and finally logs out. So we can say that RPA plays a crucial role in the digital transformation of any organization. So let's see the evolution of RPA. The RPA basically derives from three key technologies, that is the screen scraping, the workflow automation, and the artificial intelligence. What is screen scraping? Screen scraping is a process of collecting the data that's available on the display, using it and displaying it in a more modern or fancy way to the user. The second thing is the workflow automation. The workflow automation eliminates the need of manual data entry. It automates the task, thus require less human intervention. It increases the fulfillment rates, the speed increases, and the accuracy and efficiency also increase at the same time. Now, what is artificial intelligence? The main task of an AI is to reduce the human intervention. Reduce human intervention means increase accuracy because there are a lot less chances of man-made errors. So with all these three technologies, we can use RPA and increase the work in efficiency and accuracy. Now let's see the benefits of RPA. Following are the main benefits of RPA. It provides better customer service and customer support just because it can work 24/7. The RPAs doesn't tire, so they can work continuously for 24 hours. The second thing is it ensures business operations and process comply with regulations and standards. It allows the process to be completed much more rapidly because it doesn't require any break and can work continuously. Thus, it provides increased efficiency, and due to less human intervention, it provides more accuracy. So, if we digitize our tasks, this can result into the favorable outputs. It can be a cost saving. We can perform cost cutting with the help of RPA because we'll need to recruit a lot less people, lot less human. This this will enhance the cost cutting. The last thing is it enables the employees to be more productive. All the drag and drop things can make the task a lot easier than it was previously there. And what are the benefits of RPA? Let's see the employee's perspective of that. The first thing is accuracy. As I said, RPAs are accurate, far more accurate than humans because there are less chances of any man-made errors. The second thing is low technical barriers. All these tasks is done with the help of drag and drop system. We have good UIs to perform the tasks, so we can say that there are a lot low technical barriers. Now the productivity, as we said, when the tasks are automated, the productivity increases. Then the reliability. Bots tirelessly work 24/7 without interruption. They don't need break. They don't need rejuvenation. They can just work continuously without any problem. Next thing is the improved employee morale. The workers can dedicate more time to engaging interesting work. As I said, RPAs are interesting. We have a lot of UI, lot of drag and drop stuff, so we can perform the task very quite easily. Now let's see what's an organization's perspective for the benefits of RPA. The RPA provides improved customer experience. How it provides improved customer experience? Nowadays, we see various websites provide bots on their websites. Various companies provide bot on their websites. These bot these bots enhance the customer experience. They make it quite better, lot more better than it was before. It provides increased degree of flexibility, enhanced scalability of solutions, improved level of agility, increased efficiency and compliance, enhanced management capabilities, and many more. So now see the applications of RPA. Following are the various applications of RPA. The first is the customer service. RPA can help companies offer better customer service. As I said, they are 24/7 active. They reply quite fast, and they can perform tasks such as verifying e-signatures, uploading scanned documents, verifying information for automatic approvals and rejections, issuing the barcodes or issuing the QR codes, etc. Second thing is accounting. Organizations can use RPA for general accounting operations, transactional reporting and budgeting. The financial services companies can use the RPA for foreign exchange payments, automatic account openings and closings, managing audit requests and processing insurance claims. RPA plays a very important role in healthcare also. The medical organizations use RPA for handling patient records, claiming claims, customer support, account management, all the billing stuff, and reporting and analytics. Now, HR, human resource. RPA can automate HR tasks. It includes onboarding, offboarding, producing automated mails, automated calls, timesheets, submission processes, etc. And at last we have supply chain management. RPA can be used for procurement, automating order processing and payments, monitoring inventory levels, and tracking shipments. Other than this, there are various other tasks that an RPA can perform. It's not limited to only these sectors. It's a huge variety of sectors that RPA can serve. So we can use RPA according to our needs. Now, what did we conclude? The first is the standard definition of RPA. The robotic process automation is use software with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to handle high volume, repeatable tasks that previously required human to perform, just like doing entries, calculations, resolving queries, etc. The second thing is it mimics the human worker. The third thing is RPA increases the speed and efficiency due to a lot of less human intervention, and the RPA reduces errors, as I said. It also performs cost cutting because we have to hire a lot less people to perform a task because RPA is doing the same with very low cost and high efficiency. So we can say that the robotic process automation plays plays a crucial role in digital transformation of an organization and can be proved beneficial for the future of these organizations. That's all. Thank you.